Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by here on weatherbug.com. I'm your severe weather meteorologist Miranda Hilgers, talking about the extreme cold and wintry weather we've seen recently. January 2014 will go down in the history books as one of the coldest on record across many locations, and we also are picking up some snow and ice to boot, as if that's not enough. You've got winter storm watches in place here across the Ohio Valley and coming back down into portions of Missouri and Arkansas. Winter weather advisories as well. We've got a lot of area to cover here where we could be seeing the potential for 2 to as much as 12 inches of snow moving on through with another system that's sort of mimicking the last one we saw that made the big mess of the Northeast. Luckily, though, we are going to be warm enough here along the Atlantic coast to only have to deal with freezing rain, not mountains of snow. So I guess there's a little bit of a mixed blessing there. Things will be very slick, and we have the potential for power outages as that ice accumulates on power lines, but at least we don't have to dig out from another enormous blizzard. Now, the Futurecast brings in this area of low pressure for Sunday evening. Very warm air coming up along the Atlantic coast as we go through into the overnight hours Sunday. We will continually be warming here up through the Delmarva Peninsula into New York. And then, of course, this entire system pulls offshore, and we turn our attention back inland a little further to the high pressure that is settling southward. Bitter cold temperatures moving across much of the lower 48. We had a little downsloping warmth coming in through the Intermountain West, and then another snow system into the Pacific Northwest. So your snowcast puts in a nice swath here of between 5 to 10 inches plus, and the rain will likely be all along the Atlantic coast with only about a ½ inch likely into the Northeast. So, of course, we've talked about the wintry weather. Let's talk about the cold. Temperatures feeling very chilly. In fact, dangerously low wind chill values here as air temperatures are down sub-zero through all of the pink shaded regions. We have hard freeze concerns across the Gulf Coast and dangerous wind chills that could be as low as 50 to 60 below for feels like temperature in the Midwest.